Presenting the 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. A low odometer reading is a great advantage. Among many other benefits offered on this ride, the powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help keep you safe on the road. A vehicle history report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information, is offered to provide you with peace of mind. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, air conditioning. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.